Hello everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes, back again with another crypto update. And today we have a really interesting one, as we're going to be talking about some extreme fear, Mark Cuban, and Polygon Matic. Must quickly say I'm a little bit behind on schedule as I had so many videos to record here, but I met a couple of really insane people yesterday, so I didn't have the time to put the thumbnails in and do everything, so I'm a little bit behind, but I'll get there. Extreme fear takes over crypto market following Elon Musk's Bitcoin betrayal. This was actually one of the most interesting articles of yesterday. It kind of fixed itself throughout, as right now we noticed Elon Musk actually did not sell any Bitcoin just quite yet. We're not sure if he's going to, but as it currently stands, Elon Musk just memed around a little bit with his tweets of saying indeed over on Twitter, and then kind of took it back. What is the conclusion? Well, Elon Musk is just joking around, memeing around. We don't know exactly if anything really happened in the midst. Then billionaire Mark Cuban becomes Cardano curious, says Dallas Mavericks would be happy to accept it. It's again a billionaire talking about accepting some sort of crypto. He's actually already accepted Doge a little bit earlier. What is the conclusion about this article here? He is excited about multiple crypto, and he says again there's some use for different ones. I personally said before, so once more Mark Cuban, is a little bit of a sellout where he basically goes with the flow. Whatever crypto sort of related project goes the best, he's there. But then again, that's what most people do, right? They go with the flow. Wherever there's the most money to be made, that's where they will be found. And that's, again, really a big point here, though, that he knows where the money lies and he follows that flow. So even though I consider it to be sellout because he's not doing it for you, he's not doing it for me, he's doing it for purely himself and the attention, it is also where the money is. And, you got to give it to him from a business perspective that he does know how to follow the trend. And then Polygon Matic. I wanted to make this video as soon as it came out already, I think somewhere yesterday. Couldn't get it done because once more there's so much stuff coming out and I had a couple of meetings to get to. But Matic, Polygon, eventual rise to $7. What will fuel it? To be honest, guys, I really think Matic can hit at least $5 easy-freaking-ly. I kept explaining to you guys in the previous types of videos here why I'm so excited about it. Why? But it's so simple to understand. It's just bringing every type of scaling over to Ethereum. It's just, first of all, making that better. Making Ethereum better, but also with the Polygon now, because they've changed from Matic to Polygon, it is basically broadening their horizon to not only make Ethereum better, but to make everything more scalable. Everything that's basically a quote-unquote platformer, they're making it more scalable with their solution. I've been watching a couple of videos basically with the whole explanation behind Matic. I've been reading now because I was like, yeah, I know my stuff, but I want to really be able to know it from the depth, from the core. And that's, again, really where you finally start to understand. This layer 2 here is wow. So as it starts here, Matic token, the native asset of the recently rebranded Polygon layer 2 solution for Ethereum. Again, layer 2 here kind of built on top of Ethereum's layer 1 to make it more scalable, right? That's basically what they do. That's the purpose. Has seen another 12, I didn't even know that it rose so much now. Now a top 20 crypto asset by market cap, Matic has provided over 300% gains over the past month. And again, I was in Matic pretty early. I told you guys over on Patreon, this is going to be one of the best coins out there. And now we know. The stellar performance of the token can be attributed to the growing ecosystem, long list of partnerships with major crypto protocols, especially Aava, which I've also made a video about, I think yesterday. Made a video about Polygon like 4 or 5 days ago. Then one about Aava, I think 1 day ago as well. And then another one about Polygon and Aava, I think earlier today or something like that. Which is allowing for more assets to be brought into the ecosystem and thus higher usage/adoption of the protocol, positively impacting Matic price. But where can it go from here? And if you're honestly asking me, I think there's no real short-term maximum or anything like that. I think it could just keep on growing as Ethereum and as most of these cryptos grow. Here it says Polygon is seeing the same hurried onboarding of projects like the Binance Smart Chain, escaping the Ethereum high fees, and that's the truth. Ethereum and the whole DeFi right now is extremely popular, partially also because of Biden's capital gains tax. Just DeFi in general is doing good. And Aava and Polygon are just getting a lot of attention because they were undervalued for such a long while. Aava, I've told you 100,000 times now, one of my favorite projects by far out there in general. Is it that, unique? Well, maybe not, because there's actually quite a lot of these sort of aggregators or these, DeFi projects out there where you can just lend and borrow. But everyone has its own little niche basically, and Aava I just have a connection to it, and I like it more than some others. Same thing for Matic. I guess there's not really many exactly like Matic because or I should say Polygon now, because they're doing the big upgrade which just came out, shocked a lot of people because it's a big upgrade. But again, there's no real maximum price for Matic. You can just keep going on. They're supported by Coinbase Ventures, which is always a big plus. You should always take a good look at that. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you press the like button and subscribe. And once more, $7 per Matic is not crazy. It can definitely happen, in my opinion.